Challenges are everywhere, on every factory floor, in every system, in every shift. But what truly defines an organization is how it responds to them. At PGP, we don't step around challenges. We embrace them with grit, with discipline, and with a passion to perform. Because when passion leads, performance follows. On the PGP factory floor, focus outperforms noise, precision outworks distraction, and ability speaks for itself. At PGP, inclusion was never introduced as an initiative. It was built into the DNA of the system, into hiring, into training, into leadership decisions.
My name is Alpesh Makwana. I am heading the HR functions of Kusamba plant.
मेरा नाम नितिन सोलंकी है और मैं 2020 में जम्मू से लोकेशन पे HR में मेरा हायरिंग हुआ है और पर्टिकुलरली मैं पर्सनल विद डिसेबिलिटी का एक प्रोजेक्ट देख रहा हूँ.
Here, an open door policy is not symbolic, it is structural. It means supervisors learning new ways to communicate. It means processes adapting before people are judged. It means understanding before expecting.
We have a open door policy for the all employees. So we believe in that the PGP is as a one family.
Family at PGP is not sentiment, it is equality, equal standards, equal accountability, equal opportunity to contribute and deliver.
अलग अलग NGO से कांटेक्ट करके हमने हायरिंग किया. तो डिफ़िकल्ट इसमें ख़ास ये था कि उनकी एक साइन लैंग्वेज थी. तो साइन लैंग्वेज में उनको एक्सप्लेन करना होता है जब भी. तो शुरुआत में हमने प्लांट लेवल पे सारे HOD हो गए, प्लांट हेड हो गए, सबको अवेयर किया कि उनकी भी एक भाषा होती है जो साइन लैंग्वेज रहती है.
Every cultural shift takes time, patience, and conviction. PGP chose conviction. Processes were refined, workflows redesigned, teams trained to collaborate differently, not to lower standards, but to strengthen them.
उनकी भाषा समझता हूँ मैं और उनकी जो भी प्रॉब्लम है मैनेजमेंट के साथ हम शेयर करते हैं. और ट्रेनिंग के दरमियान हम सारे जितने भी मतलब सुपरवाइज़र जो उनके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, जो डायरेक्टली उनके साथ कनेक्ट है, तो उसको हम एक ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. तो हमने पूरी टीम तैयार की है. तो हर एक लोकेशन पे एक टीम है जो इन लोगों की भाषा आप समझते हैं.
And something remarkable happened. Performance improved, focus became sharper, consistency became stronger, ownership became visible. Not because expectations changed, but because belief did. Across departments, quality, logistics, inspection, operations, teams began delivering with renewed intent. Today, 484 specially abled professionals contribute daily across PGP locations. The number matters, but what matters more is what it represents. It represents trust at scale, capability at scale, impact at scale.
And majorly, they are very dedicated and passionate to work with us because we take care as a family member. So here at PGP, the people are treated equally, whether irrespective of any designation. So here at PGP, every employee is counted as family member.
Inclusion here is not an activity, it is belief in the power of the human mind. The body may have boundaries, but passion expands them. And when an organization chooses to invest in people, to equip them, trust them, and challenge them, it creates more than employment. It builds confidence. It builds independence. It builds futures. PGP has set a new normal, where ability is not questioned, it is trusted.
एक जिम्मेदारी के साथ वो काम कर रहे हैं, तो इस हिसाब से डिपार्टमेंट का भी रिव्यू हमारे पास आता रहता है, जिससे करके उसका रिजल्ट नॉर्मल से भी अच्छा आ रहा है। इसीलिए यह स्पेशली एबल भाई बहन हमारी कंपनी का अहम हिस्सा है।
At PGP, we live our value of humility and integrity day in and out. The value of integrity says our action and words are consistent. That's how we live our values at PGP. This is how we trust our people. This is how we support them. This is how we enable them to perform best in their area. This is our culture. This is PGP. I am PGP.